Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to stop others from reusing your content in TikTok. So we are in profile. So we have multiple videos. So we are going to disable this option. So open any video. So click on it. Now you see video is open, and then you see on bottom right you see three dots. So click on it. Now you see multiple option, and then you see privacy setting. So click on it. So we are in privacy setting, and then you see allow reuse of content. Now you see stitch sticker add to story. So currently this option enable, but we are going to disable this. Now click on it. So now this option disable. Now no one reuse this video content in TikTok. So you can open any of your video. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.